If you're on the Pro plan of Search Atlas, you can use the Write with AI in bulk feature. You'll notice it's a Pro only option. What you'll do here is click Get XLS Template. You'll be presented with a spreadsheet that looks like this. It is view only, so we're just going to go ahead and make a copy of this spreadsheet. So we have edit access. In one of the previous videos, we went through the process of creating a topical map. So I have that spreadsheet here. This is the topical map for technical SEO. If I wanted to write all of these articles in bulk, all I would have to do is take the article titles from this topical map spreadsheet, take those here, and then drop them into the bulk upload spreadsheet. So I've dropped in my article topics. I'm going to then drop in my target keywords. So these are going to be my target keywords here. And if this was a local business, I would add in a location attribute. If it's a nationwide or global business, you can leave this blank. But in the use case that this is a local business, you'd simply put in a microlocation of Austin, Texas, for example. Now, all of the other fields are optional to fill out. You really only need the article title and the target keywords. But if you want to customize this further, you can fill in the additional fields. So you can add the location, you can add a little prompt, select the Generate AI button here. And then you have the option to plug in your title tags, your meta descriptions, your internal links, required or optional, your external links, required or optional. And if you're intending on posting this in WordPress using the MetaSync plugin, you can also fill in the following fields for the slug, the post type, and the post status. But once you fill in your spreadsheet and you select the items that you want created, you essentially just take that URL and just make sure it's publicly shareable. You simply take that URL and then you go to the SEO Content Assistant, Write with AI in bulk, in the folder for the account that you're trying to do this in, and you simply paste in your spreadsheet and click the upload button. And now we'll see that there are 97 articles to create, and we'll hit generate bulk articles, which will then queue up Search Atlas to create 97 articles for you while you focus on other items. Reminder that if your folder settings are configured to auto upload to WordPress, you can turn that on, and then the 97 articles that get created will then also automatically be synced to your WordPress admin, either as draft or publish, depending on which settings you prefer.